Now you can access and use your free digital flipbook in two ways. We have the share link, which is a live URL link, and the embed code, which is an iframe HTML code. Here's how you can access each of them. First, you will log into your account, and you will go over to My Account and find the order you would like to make a digital flipbook for. After approving the proof, eligible items will have the free digital flipbook button. Click the button and a pop-up will appear. Here you will title and add a description for your flipbook for your viewers. After adding a title, you will click I agree to terms and conditions and get free digital flipbook. If you want to embed the flipbook iframe code to your website, simply click the copy. This will be copied to your clipboard. Next, I would paste the iframe HTML code into your website as an embedded code or custom HTML element. And from here you can hit preview. And just like that, all of the people viewing your website will be able to flip through your flipbook. For more details on using your embed code on website platforms such as Wix or Squarespace, you can click this link here as well. The share link is a live URL that allows anyone to view your digital flipbook. Simply click the blue share link button and it will open in a new tab. From here, copy the entire link from your browser and paste in emails, texts, social media, and more. For more detailed information on using our free digital flipbooks, follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss any updates.